I do like to recycle things, you know, as far as possible. Even when my eldest was small, he'll remember this, I used to put him in skips. Say, go and have a look, see what's in there. And about 2 minutes later, he'd come up, Dad, I found this. You know, and anything we could reuse, you know. My sister's the same. She likes recycling stuff, and it's good for the environment, isn't it? But my dad had this wind-up torch, and I did wind it up, but it didn't produce any light. And I thought, well, nothing to lose, let's take it apart. And anyway, got one of these very tiny lithium batteries in it, and I was thinking, where am I going to get one of those from? And I could have got one online, but I don't know if you've wandered around, you know, these disposable vapes, and people just throw them everywhere, don't they? But what they don't realise is the batteries in those disposable vapes are in fact rechargeable. They don't provide a charging port on it because, you know, it would add extra cost with the charging circuit. So anyway, I happened to find one of these in the street, brought it home, took the battery out of it, and popped it in there instead. Just soldered it in. And do you know, I mean, I've just taken the cover off just to show you. I mean, that's twice the size of that thing. Same voltage, 3.6 volt. And I just gave it a wind up. In fact, I'll show you in a minute when I wound it up. And it now works again. So it's cost nothing really, apart from the soldering iron. Quite pleased with that. That's a useful thing, isn't it, really, to sort of throw in the boot of your car, because I mean, I do carry a bright light when I'm driving around. You never know, do you? But should the batteries go, or I've forgotten to charge it, or there's not enough go in my phone to provide a light, and they don't provide a lot of light, these ones do. So I'll just screw this back together and I'll show you. There you go, gave it a good wind up, and works fine. So you've got a choice of one LED or all three. Yeah, good result. Recycling.
Oh, and don't forget to subscribe.